Welcome to CheapoHippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. Sears has the Titan Tools 204-piece master drill bit set for $30.99. Buy online, pick up in store. They charge sales tax in most states. This is at least 15% less than elsewhere. Set includes a tri-fold storage case, 2 in-pour screwdriver bits, nail sets, drills toppers, screw finders, 2-in magnetic extension, assorted drill bits, drill gwidge, Allen wrench, and more. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or visit our website at CheapoHippo.com.